Say what you it's okay. Give him the throne, I didn't know to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I lived 2 lives, tried to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Called a problem child, 'cause I got too wild. But now that's how I'm getting paid. Now when she on stage, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We dreaming hard, we came too far. Now I'll be we're going up, 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 it's our moment. You know together we're glowing. We're gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up with our voices. Going so deep, so warm, man. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, our time, no fears, no past, that's who we're born to be. Waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. Put these patterns all in the past now, and finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm born to be. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong, and I know I believe we're going up, 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 it's our moment. You know together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up with our voices. Came with so deep and so warm, man. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, our time, no fears, no lies, that's who we're born to be. You know we're gonna be golden. We're gonna be born to be glowing like everyone gonna think. Know that it's our time, no fears, no lies, that's who we're born to be. Don't forget to subscribe.